In this video, we'll be taking a look at how conditions within macros work. It's similar to a programming language's if-else, which will execute based on a condition being true or false. For this example, we've chosen an e-commerce website that has a cookie pop-up. So we will use the if condition to handle the cookie. In case it doesn't appear on the page, we will execute a desired sequence of action. So I will start creating the macro here. I will call it sample. The browser opens up and loads the page, and you can see that as soon as it loads the page, it will show a cookie pop-up here. Yes, so it has done that. Just to show you how the accept all buttons code looks like, I'll just go ahead and click on it. Click on the menu here and click on edit source. This is the action of clicking on the button. So we'll copy the code from the source editor here. So let's go ahead and add a step before, which will be an if step. If you click on the action here, you will see a drop down where you can select if else. So here, in case the element of the pop-up comes up on the page, we will perform the action of clicking on accept all. So we can add that here by clicking on add statement and replace the code you just copied here in the source editor. The way we would check for the element is with this value. So this should be copied, and in the section that says element exists, replace the code here and click on the checkmark button. So the way the condition would work is that if it sees that this particular element comes up on the page, it would perform the action of clicking on the accept button. So I will just delete this step since it is redundant, and I will perform the rest of my macro actions. In my case, it would be to check out a product here and visit its page and check the pricing of a particular variety of that product. So I will stop my macro recording here. Just to show you how the if block executes, I will replay my macro. So you can see that the page is being loaded. The cookie pop-up didn't come up, so it's executing my sequence of actions. In case the cookie pop-up does come up on the page, it will execute this if block and help you perform the rest of the actions in your macro. I hope this video helped you get an idea of how you can use conditions within macros. Especially with this video, I hope you would have learned how to handle infrequent cookie pop-ups on the page using the if condition within the macros.